mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 22, 2024, Wednesday Racing. Umpisa ng karera alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races, lahat ay may distansyang 1,200 meter. Race number 1, First Choice. Number 6, Smiling Lady. Second choice, number 5, Lady of Peace. Race 2, first choice, number 7, Mabuhay. Second choice, number 4, Monument. Race 3, first choice, number 5, Calle Loreto. Second choice, number 7, Mucho Caliente. Third choice, number 3, Best Shot. Race 4, first choice, number 1, Charm Campaign. Second choice, number 6, Bad Boy MJ. Race 5, first choice, number 7, Solomo Eni. Second choice, number 8, Jubilum. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 4, Piece of Cake. Second choice, number 5, Captain Det. 7, race na may Super 6 at Paratingan. First choice, number 6, Snow White. Second choice, number 1, Instant Message. Third choice, number 2, Primero Soldado. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!